In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a file on your computer in PowerPoint. This simple skill can really enhance your presentations by allowing you to quickly access supplementary content like documents, spreadsheets, or other relevant files without stepping out of your slideshow. So, let's dive in and see how it's done. First, you need to launch PowerPoint on your desktop. If you already have a presentation you'd like to add links to, go ahead and open that file. If you're starting from scratch, create a new presentation and feel free to add any photos, tables, or other content that you'd like to enrich with additional information. It can be a basic layout, as we're just focusing on linking files today. Once you have your presentation open, decide on the text or object you want to use to create your clickable link. This could be a piece of text, an image, or any other object that will act as your hyperlink. Once decided, click on that text or object to select it. The selection should be clearly highlighted so you know exactly where the link will be placed. Next, turn your attention to the ribbon at the top of PowerPoint and find the Insert tab. Click on it, which will bring up various options. Look for and click on Link or Hyperlink. Alternatively, you can achieve this by right-clicking your selected text or object and simply choosing Link from the context menu. Both methods will lead you to the same place, a dialog box for inserting a link. In this dialog box, you'll notice several options on the left side. Here, choose Existing File or Web Page. This choice tells PowerPoint that the link will be directed to a file stored on your computer, as opposed to a website or a place within the same document. Now, move your focus to the central part of the dialog box where you'll find a drop-down arrow or possibly a folder icon. Clicking this will allow you to browse through your computer's files. Navigate through your folders to find the exact file you wish to link to. Once you've located your desired file, click on it to select it. Confirm your choice by clicking OK. By doing so, you've successfully created a hyperlink. The text or object you initially selected is now a clickable link pointing to the file of your choice. To ensure everything works as expected, enter slideshow mode in your PowerPoint. Click on your newly created link and verify that it opens the correct file. This final step is essential as it tests that the link functions properly, ensuring a seamless experience during your presentation. And that's it. You have now successfully linked a file to your presentation in PowerPoint. This added functionality not only enhances the quality of your presentations, but also keeps all necessary materials effectively organized and quickly accessible.